The Battle of Asal Uttar, fought between India and Pakistan from September 8 to 10, 1965, was a significant conflict during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965. This battle, one of the largest tank engagements of the war, took place in Asal Uttar, Punjab. The Pakistani army had advanced with tanks and infantry, capturing the Indian town of Khemkaran, located 5 kilometers from international border. In response, Indian troops launched a counter-offensive. After 3 days of intense fighting, the Pakistani forces were driven back, suffering heavy losses. Indian forces not only repelled the Pakistani army but also destroyed crucial military sources and equipments, significantly impacting the Pakistani war effort. On September 8, 2006, a series of major bomb blasts occurred in Malegaon, Nashik district, Maharashtra, resulting in 40 deaths and over 125 injuries. The three explosions struck near Bada Qabristan, Mushrawat Chowk and Hamidiya Mosque in the predominantly Muslim area of Malegaon. The blast caused significant damage to nearby buildings and vehicles. 13 individuals were arrested, all linked to the banned radical organization SIMI. Following the attacks, Indian security agencies launched an investigation, imposed a curfew in the city, and deployed paramilitary forces to prevent unrest. Asha Bhosle, born on September 8, 1933 in Maharashtra, is a renowned Hindi film singer. The younger sister of Lata Mangeshkar and daughter of Dinanath Mangeshkar, she has recorded approximately 16,000 songs across various languages including Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, Gujarati, Punjabi, Bhojpuri, Tamil, Malayalam, English and Russian. Asha Bhosle's accolades include 2 National Film Awards, 4 BFJA Awards, 18 Maharashtra State Film Awards, 9 Filmfare Awards and a record 7 Filmfare Awards for Best Female Playback Singer. She has also received 2 Grammy nominations. In 2008, the Government of India honored her with the Padma Vibhushan, the country's second highest civilian award. In 2011, the Guinness Book of World Records recognized her as the most recorded artist in the music history. On September 8, 1935, a pivotal peace conference was held in San Francisco with the aim of establishing global peace and cooperation after World War II. This conference was a crucial step towards the creation of the United Nations organization. While the UN was officially inaugurated on October 24, 1945, the San Francisco Conference laid the groundwork for its establishment. Representatives from 48 countries signed the Treaty of San Francisco at the War Memorial Opera House. This treaty, which came into force on April 28, 1952, marked the beginning of the UN's efforts to maintain international peace and security, protect human rights and promote development.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी।
On September 8, 1974, US President Gerald Ford granted a pardon to Richard Nixon, the 37th President of the United States, for his involvement in the Watergate scandal. This pardon meant Nixon could not face any legal punishment or judicial proceedings for any federal crimes. The decision sparked significant controversy and criticism both publicly and politically. The Watergate scandal involved members of Nixon's administration spying on the opposition Democratic Party at the Watergate Hotel, leading to accusations of misuse of power and obstruction of justice. Facing mounting controversy and political pressure, Nixon resigned from the presidency on August 9, 1974. Gerald Ford, the vice president, was sworn in as president and issued the pardon to Nixon shortly after. World Literacy Day, celebrated on September 8, was established by UNESCO in 1965 to highlight global literacy rates and promote the importance of education. The day aims to draw attention to regions with low literacy rate and the need for greater efforts to ensure the right to education. Each year, World Literacy Day features a specific theme chosen by UNESCO that addresses key literacy issues. This year's theme is promoting multilingual education, literacy for mutual understanding and peace.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.